Hey YouTube, the Pokemon fan here. Tonight I'm just showing you how to make Pokemon spawn in Pokemon Omega Sapphire. I'm not sure of X and Y yet, but it's a spawn hack that I found. But I'll get to that later. But these are the two files you're going to need right here, and I'm going to show you where to get them at. For the encedit.c, you click download right there, and then it'll pop it over here, and you click OK and download it. Don't do raw or don't click on raw because I never tried that one, but I just click download. Both links will be in the description. Then the second link is for the MediaFire download for the encedit file, which is going to be a raw file. So you can't rid of the program WinRAR to open it with. When you download it, so ignore that. Well, when you download it, it'll say this, and then you just download it. Once you download the files, they'll be right here, and you open this file right here. What you can do is open it, or you can extract it. I've already extracted it, both files, and it's right here in this folder called Pokemon Spawn Hack. Once you do that, you have everything right here, and what you need to do is to make it work is that you click on right here to encedit.exe. When you click on it, it pops up this, which is the spawn hack. You make any Pokemon you want, which I already did, any level you want, even Megas if you want. And what it does is that it will make the encedit.c.c, that's what it'll turn it into. See, if I get rid of the one I have right now, which I'll delete it, then all I do is click save. And then once I go to work, and I need sometimes it doesn't want to work right, so I guess you just have to have it in there. But you click save, and what it does is it's going to save it. Whatever you've done right there, it's going to save it on there. But I'm going to reopen it and do it again just to be safe. Okay, so here's the Pokemon again that it automatically resaves it. Then I just click save a couple times to make sure. Then what you're going to need is your SD card from your 3DS, 2DS, or 3DS XL. And then you're going to drag the code.bin file in the encdata.bin file. I can't remember what this file was for, but this is the two files you're going to need. And you drag it over to it. Once you do that, those are the two folders. That's all you need right there. So you close out of that, close out of this. You eject your SD card. And then the rest I'm going to do on the computer. Okay, now back to the video. This part will be for the DS part. Make sure you're on version 9.5.0-22U or below. And I was just showing that that's the version I have. Once you do this, also, pretty much you already know, make sure your SD card is in your system. And what you'll do is that you'll go to your game. Once you're at your game, go to Petalburg Woods. Okay, now that you're in Petalburg Woods, you have to save before you do this. You save the game. And then once you save your game, you have to reset it, whether it be by restarting your DS or just by pressing L and R and start select. Then once you do that, you just make a random horde appear first in Petalburg Woods by using Sweet Scent. So far, Petalburg Woods is the only place that this code actually works. And then a random horde will show up, which is right now is Zigzagoon. And then once the random horde appears, you just run away from it. You press the home button on your DS, go to your internet browser, and make sure that before you do this, make sure you go to your settings and you clear your history and delete your cookies, because if you don't do this, there's a 50% chance it will work. If you don't do this, there's also a chance it won't work. Then once you do this, you type in load code.project Pokemon.org, just like that. Logo.projectpokemon.org, and that will be in the description as well. And then you just click confirm. It'll load the code up, and it'll say failed to load the page. Once the web browser crashes, not the game crash. Sorry. Okay, once it says that, sorry about that, you ignore it. Go back to your game. Okay. Then do what you did in the first place with the horde, and you Sweet Scent. If you did everything correctly, whatever Pokemon you may show up in the horde will appear. And there you go. They are catchable as well, but you just have to feint. You know, pretty much like you do in a horde, you have to feint everyone so you want the one you want. So I'm going to show that right now is that I'm going to feint everyone except the Mega Charizard Y. And I'm going to show y'all once I catch it that it's still going to be in that version. And yes, all their moves are going to be random. You just fainted Karim. Well, thanks, Groudon, for fainting Karim. Now I don't have to worry about Karim. And then once you have one Pokemon left, what I'm going to do, instead of just like trying to catch a regular ball, I'm just going to throw a Master Ball at it. This will also help you to complete your Pokédex if you need to complete your Pokédex in your game, and you don't want to like use a power save code to do it. See, it's still Mega Charizard Y. Still Mega Charizard Y. It has my OT and everything. Drought is its ability. It's Imprish, and it shows I know the date's wrong on my DS, so just ignore that. But that's pretty much all you have to do. If any questions, please put it in the comments below. This is the Pokemon Fan signing out.